Prince Charles has tested positive for COVID for a second time and is self-isolating. It's understood he met with the Queen just 2 days ago, but a palace source says she hasn't been displaying any symptoms. It isn't confirmed whether or not she's tested positive or negative. A warning, there are flashing images in this report from our royal correspondent, Nicholas Witchell.
The British Museum in London last night, a reception for the British Asian Trust. The guests of honour, the Prince of Wales and his wife, the Duchess of Cornwall. Everyone was shaking hands quite freely. Among the guests the Prince met and shook hands with was the Chancellor of the Exchequer, Rishi Sunak. Roughly 12 hours after these pictures were taken, this morning, Charles took a routine COVID test. It was positive. It's the second time he's caught COVID. He's triple vaccinated. He's thought to be coping well. But 2 days ago, Charles was presiding at an investiture at Windsor Castle, and while he was there, he met the Queen. She'd just returned from Sandringham, where she'd been seen in good spirits at the weekend, marking the 70th anniversary of her accession to the throne. So, inevitably, a concern. Might she have contracted COVID during the meeting with the Prince of Wales?
As with all medical or health-related matters, Buckingham Palace is saying the absolute minimum. All that royal sources will say is that the Queen is not displaying any symptoms of COVID.
It can safely be assumed that the Queen has been triple vaccinated, but it's not known whether she's been tested for COVID or what any such tests have indicated. All the palace will say is that the situation is being monitored. Nicholas Witchell, BBC News.